everybody, Travis of Blue Nail Enterprises out here in Royce City. It is a beautiful day for a roof replacement. I wanted to talk to you today about the importance of getting everything off when you're doing your tear off for a roof replacement. The shingles, the felt, everything right down to the decking to make sure you have a solid nailable surface. Now we did that today, and what we found was a ton of rotted decking. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. You'll see right there where that decking has just completely rotted out. Water got around the flashing, up under the shingles. One way or another, it got under there and it just destroyed this roof. I'm going to show you another area where it's also the case. You'll see this hole goes straight through. Now, a lot of roofers would probably just shingle right over that, not even pull off the felt. They just either lay some more underlayment on top of everything or just roof over your existing roof. The reason you don't want to do that is because we never would have known those holes were there. Now, this is a perfect example of why you got to do it the right way. You can't cut corners. You got to make sure you get right down to the decking, start from scratch so that you have a roof that's going to last you for decades. Another homeowner tip, thanks, always trust Blue Nail.